Hey y'all, this is day 43 of the extended 30-day yoga flying dragon pose. I have 2 days left to finish this whole challenge and I'm super proud of myself for getting this far, especially because I didn't know where to start or even how to start. But instead of saying I didn't know how to do it, I decided to take things step by step and at least make an attempt to. So now on my left leg, I see more of improvements in my flexibility, and on my right leg, I see more improvements with my stability. So let's see how much progress I can make within the full 45 days, and I will see you guys in day 44. Bye y'all.